Hands up if you love puppies. Me. I'm gonna look at a shoot I did for some French Bulldogs last week, and they had a litter of really gorgeous puppies who I would have put in my camera bag in a heartbeat if they didn't already have homes to go to. I've got a couple of shots that I really love, and one of the eyes in one of the dogs is a little bit soft, so I'm gonna take a look now and see how we can edit that. I think I found an image I can head swap from. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. You're seeing the finished edit before I do. Join me and see what I can come up with. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching that. It didn't quite turn out as I had hoped, or quite as good as I'd hoped. The shot that I used the head swap for wasn't quite in focus either. It was a little bit sharper than the other shot. But I don't know, sometimes I think that when you have little moments like that that are super cute and adorable, that the moment outweighs the technical skills, I guess, in some ways. I definitely wouldn't want the client to put that on a massive canvas on the wall, but for what she wants them for, which is just some images for the website, I think just a low-res version is going to look fine. So sometimes it's worth thinking about those moments and also what the purpose of the image is going to be as well. I'll see you next time.